The next couple of days I'm going to be in northern British Columbia skiing with Last Frontier heli operation. It was pretty cool getting up to Last Frontier heli. We stayed overnight in Vancouver and then took a bus to the airport where we got on a chartered Air North flight that took us really, really far north to a dirt runway, pretty much on the border of Alaska and the Yukon. It's pretty intriguing to be on a plane heading this far north and then get bussed after the plane to a little remote lodge.
Belty Lodge is way up in the middle of nowhere almost. It's way up in northern BC. Just come up this lonely highway on your way to Alaska, and just before you get to Alaska, there's Bell 2, and it's just a few buildings on the side of the road. It's a pretty cool location because you get to access, huge mountains in the middle of nowhere. It's really remote. I've seen a lot of good footage come out of Last Frontier before, so I'm pretty excited to get up in the mountains and see these huge faces they have and big spine lines and lots of glaciated terrain.
At Last Frontier Heliskiing, we've got over 9,000 square kilometers of terrain. That's the largest heli-skiing area on the planet. We operate here with 2 407 helicopters with small groups of 5 people.
It's 9,000 square kilometers of incredibly beautiful snowy peaks. You couldn't ski everything they had here if you spent your entire life up here. You could never do it.
Well, when you have a helicopter, you can access a lot of terrain fast. With Last Frontier having the biggest heli tenure there is, you can see a huge amount of country and a lot of mountains, a lot of different valleys, and that's kind of what it's all about up here, is being up in the middle of nowhere and exploring this massive terrain and getting out there.
Sometimes the helicopter is the most fun part. I'm serious. Buzz around, look at all the peaks, window shopping. It's pretty cool.
When you get back from skiing, the helicopters land right next to the lodge, and it's literally 30 meters to get back to the bar, have some après.
Pretty cool. They have a main lodge where you eat. They have a game room, a little pub upstairs, and I might be maxing out the helicopter capacity our last day because the food's incredible, and I've been eating a lot. It's really, really good food.
Coming on heli-ski trips, part of the fun is all the food and the après and the big breakfast buffets and the huge dinners, and just, it's a lot better than I eat at home, man. You come on these trips and you go home with a heli belly.